Hey you, yes you, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi there, I'm Taylor and I see you. Oh my gosh, long time no see. Welcome to December, y'all. I cannot. Well, actually, I'm on a particularly diet right now, but si Justin Bieber kasi may collaboration eh. Hi. Anyways, as you can see, my face is kindly a little bit of pimpleish because I'm rejuvenating and kahit rejuvenating ako. Tapos may photo shoot. May makeup si ate girl. Still yarn. Cannot. Okay, so today we are going to do the Timbiebs because Justin Bieber has a collab with the Timbiebs has a collab with the Timmies. Okay, so we have here ASMR, a small box of donut with a bunch of a 10 pack of Team Beebs. Look, yung makeup ko, niano ko sa siya dito, into the outfit. Okay. So if you're wondering, did I bought any merch? Yes. Kasi, especially the bag. Okay, anyway, I'm so dull. Oh my gosh, wait. So, we have here that I don't know. Feel ko ito yung face test. Wait, I'm gonna do it like this. Para this one. I think this is I don't know. I'll just insert some words here. This one is chocolate one. Maybe this one. I don't know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Feel ko parang, I feel like they're just giving me the same. Look. Look at that. 4 flavors. Pero parang same flavor lang binibigay sa akin. Bro. What? Oh, this one is the sour cream. Wait. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Anyways, done with that. Let's go to the merch. So, alam niyo naman, my happiness is bags. When it comes to bags, I wanted to have like a background art history. So, because I love Tim Hortons, and so we have a bag. Bakit ko inuuna? Wait, let's do the baby or a bonnet. Like, yes. Oh my god. I cannot. Anyways, we are. Oh my donut there. Okay, so me and my brothers, they have like this. So here's the tag. Patanggalin natin. Hindi tayo mukhang tanga. Well, tanga naman talaga ako sa pag-ibig. Ano daw? Joke lang guys, joke. So we're gonna put this in. Ooh, who's that? Justin Bieber. Wala ka na naging eager. Beauty and the Beast. Rapper yun. Cause I'm one less lonely girl. Ay, ano daw? So this is the bag. Oh my gosh, wait. It's a fanny pack. Backpack. Wait a minute. Here it is. It is a Timbiebs. So it has 1, 2, 3. Kasi guys, nung nakita ko to online, I actually visualized my outfit already. Yes, honey. So we can adjust this baby right here. How do you freaking? Oh, there you go. Wait a little bit longer, cause I want. Oh my, what? Oh, here pala. I'm so konyo na magsalita, guys. Oh my goodness. Ay, nako. Anyways, for those who didn't know, I'm a Cebuana living in Canada for I don't know how many years. Pero let's see. Nakasya ka na, girl. Eh, oh my gosh. Wait. Bakit kailangan ako mag-a-adjust lagi? Pwede yun na mag-a-adjust. Is it like this? Or I'm gonna do it lower. Yeah. Like, yung example, magsha-shopping kayo tapos ang dami niyong bit-bits. Fanny packs are always your best friend, yo. Mm. Yes, yo. Yes. Another, collection on my bag collection. Actually, I love Disney. Kaso, hinakancel ko na yung collection ko kasi sobrang gastos. Yeah, that's why I said yung bag collection na lang. At least I can use it for years and then I can hand it down to the future generation of my niece and nephews. Yes, may single tita po. That's it, y'all. That's the video for today. And comment down below what is your favorite Justin Bieber song. Because mine is If I Was Your Girlfriend. It's a boyfriend, pero I'm gonna change the lyrics. Like, example, when you bite this one, is it love? This one is my favorite, so I love chocolate with it. So, a bite of this, hindi pinch ko lang. Anong ginagawa ko? Oh, let me pinch like this. ASMR. If I was your girlfriend, you never let me go. I'll be, I'll be in your arm, but you never let you go. Swag, swag. Not about you, but not about. If I was your girlfriend, I'll never let you go. You will be my arm, but I'll never be alone. You could be my gentleman, everything, one less lonely girl. Oh, thought you'd always be mine. Hey, break it down, yo. That's it for today, and I'll be gone for a month, so I'll see you whenever I feel free. I'm free. I'll see you whenever. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl, Winona. And remember, as I always say, this will no doubt. This will be a never forget quote by yours truly. Remember that you're beautiful in your own way because you are unique. I will see you on, I don't know, after months or next week. My advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. Have a blessed 2022. Yes, and this one's for you. Toodles!